We've all had a Big Mac, but this is the viral smashed chicken Big Mac taco.
Are you sure?
I don't know, how do you say this one? I mean, it's easy, it's good, and it tastes just like a Big Mac, minus the beef, because we're doing it with chicken.
And the buns.
And the buns. But you could do it with beef. You could probably even do it with pork. Either way, this has got the Big Mac sauce, the pickles, the lettuce, the onions, the cheese. There's a whole song to it. I already sang it. Maybe I'll sing it later. You guys are gonna love this one. It's a quick, easy, simple lunch or dinner that your kids and you are gonna love just as much as we do here. And everyone, like all over the internet, because it's viral. I'm messy. Messy.
What?
Love it. This one starts off with 2 pounds of ground chicken into a mixing bowl. We'll season it up with a little salt, black pepper. We'll add in some paprika, garlic powder, onion powder, and then get this mixed together. And then slide that aside. Now it's time to make the famous Big Mac sauce. I've got Duke's mayo in a mixing bowl. To that, we'll add in some ketchup, relish, or you could use diced pickles, a little white wine vinegar, some mustard, season with paprika, salt, pepper, and I'll take a handful of these finely chopped white onions. Give this a mix and give it a taste. You can adjust it if you need it, but this one tastes perfect, so I'm gonna slide it aside and get back to our ground chicken. Since these are smashed tacos, we've got street size flour tortillas. We'll take a handful of these out, then we'll take our ground chicken, a scoop of that, and smear it onto our tortilla. Now, I know some people might think this is a little crazy, but trust me, you can go back and look at my grandma's fried taco recipe where we do this with beef. Everything cooks so good on the griddle, so no need to worry. Get these all loaded up with a layer of that chicken, then down onto the griddle that we've oiled up. We wanna go meat side down, letting this chicken cook gently, a little slow, medium low heat until that chicken is cooked through and nice and golden brown. Then we'll give these a flip, and of course every Big Mac needs that cheddar cheese. Let these finish cooking to ensure not only our chicken is cooked through, but our tortilla gets nice and browned and cooked. In the meantime, we'll jump over to some Grillo's pickles. I love this brand. We'll chop these up nice and finely just to give us the same texture as our onions. Now it's time to pull these tacos off. We're gonna plate these up family style on my cutting board, over the top with a handful of shredded lettuce, then our burger sauce or our mac sauce, a handful of our finely diced onions, our pickles, and then finish it with toasted sesame seeds, just like every Big Mac bun, except these don't have the bun because these are tacos, smashed Big Mac chicken tacos. And they're a new family style favorite here in my house. My kids love them. I think you're gonna love them, and I cannot wait for you guys to try them. They're pretty addicting. If you make them, post a picture. Until next time, I'm Blackstone Betty. I cannot wait to see you in my next family style favorite video, in my next video. Cheers. Ethan, are you want one?
Yes, I'm gonna use it.
I do it every time. I'm the messiest eater, but I'm a good cook.